For over a decade, digital operations relied on a rented logistics network of third-party trackers to gather intelligence. With browsers defaulting to privacy and global regulations outlawing silent data supply chains, that external network has been systematically dismantled. Enterprises are facing an immediate void in data collection. The operational reaction is a mass pivot to first-party pipelines. Organizations are aggressively pulling data collection in-house, relying on loyalty applications, direct channels, and massive centralized cloud platforms to replace the lost signals. Owning the data means owning the liability. By bringing collection in-house, the legal risk shifts from a dispersed network of external vendors directly onto the enterprise. Every piece of ingested data now requires explicitly captured, fully auditable consent. Regulators recognize this shift and are looking far past front-end privacy policies. Agencies like the FTC are actively auditing the underlying infrastructure to see exactly how these new first-party pipelines route and store user information. This scrutiny is a global standard. European authorities are launching coordinated enforcement sweeps specifically targeting systems that fail to prove transparent data processing at the architectural level. In a strict first-party environment, any unverified data point that enters the enterprise tech stack is a ticking compliance liability. If the system cannot prove where the data came from and what the user agreed to, the entire pipeline is compromised. Capturing a user's preference on a front-end browser banner is useless if that signal gets lost the moment it hits your back-end database. Modern architecture requires consent orchestration. A single user opt-out must instantly and automatically synchronize across data warehouses, CRMs, and activation tools to freeze unauthorized processing. User preferences act as a strict security checkpoint. Only explicitly approved data flows forward. If orchestration fails, unconsented data slips downstream into CRM systems, corrupting records. This liability peaks when unverified records are ingested by the enterprise's AI models. You cannot surgically extract a specific data point from a trained neural network. A model trained on poorly governed first-party data becomes a permanent legal liability, and the only reliable compliance solution is to destroy the model completely. Once the data foundation is legally secure, operations move into the reasoning layer. Here, legacy if-then marketing rules quickly become the new bottleneck. Historically, audience segmentation required marketers to guess demographic traits and run static batch-and-blast campaigns. The process is manual, rigid, and scales poorly. The modern alternative relies on AI-driven lookalike modeling, replacing human assumptions with algorithmic similarity scoring. The process extracts feature profiles from a seed audience of high-value customers. The system scans this group to generate a distinct mathematical pattern. It then actively scans the broader population for users mathematically matching that exact feature pattern. You establish baseline quality thresholds, and the system automatically shifts campaign spend only to those newly discovered segments that exceed the required similarity score. Audience expansion is no longer a manual marketing task. It is an automated, continuous mathematical function operating across the data ecosystem. Once you identify these high-value audiences, you have to optimize the messaging. But traditional A/B testing is ill-equipped for this dynamic environment. A strict 50-50 traffic split mathematically guarantees wasting half your traffic. You are intentionally stranding conversions for the sake of the test. It also introduces a static time delay. Operations teams must wait weeks to achieve statistical significance before they can manually implement the winning option. To solve this, enterprises use multi-armed bandit algorithms to allocate traffic. Where traditional testing rigidly divides resources, the multi-armed bandit algorithm treats experimentation as a continuous learning process. It identifies a frontrunner early and continuously reallocates traffic mid-flight, routing 80 to 90% of traffic to the winning variant, actively starving the failing option. This dynamic reallocation accelerates the discovery of optimal content while directly protecting your ROI. It ensures you maximize the value of every interaction before the experiment even concludes. You have a secure data foundation and dynamic reasoning algorithms. The final requirement is agentic execution, actually deploying actions based on that intelligence. It is a common misconception that an enterprise can simply plug a single, massive, large language model into its CRM to automate these operations. When one model attempts to research an account, draft copy, verify compliance, and execute the send simultaneously, it hits context overload. the reasoning breaks down, causing the model to hallucinate or stall. To solve context overload, you move to a multi-agent architecture. Instead of one model doing everything, individual AI agents are restricted to single domains. One handles research, one drafts content, one enforces compliance, and one handles execution. Modern AI gains its true efficiency from the orchestration of specialized experts, rather than the raw cognitive power of a single model. A multi-agent system is only as effective as the rules governing how those agents talk to each other. This relies on the concept of a structured handoff. Agents operate under explicit contracts requiring defined inputs, outputs, confidence scores, and strict state validation checkpoints before any data can move forward. An intent signal triggers the loop, locking the data into the research agent. It scores the lead, passing parameters to the content agent, which drafts copy. The compliance agent verifies the draft against governance rules before the execution agent deploys the campaign. This modular architecture provides immense scalability. As a workflow grows, operations teams simply add or refine one specific agent role without having to rewrite or disrupt the entire system logic. First-party data flows cleanly through a strict consent infrastructure. It optimizes continuously through adaptive reasoning algorithms, and it executes flawlessly through a network of autonomous, specialized agents. This is the true architecture of the Agentic Enterprise.